Instagram, the platform for visual content, isn't just about single photos, it's also for sharing multiples. In this video, we'll be showing you on how to efficiently post multiple photos on Instagram, and stay tuned for a bonus tip on creating polls. Let's get started. When it comes to your Instagram story, open the app and swipe right to access the camera, and tap the gallery icon at the bottom left. Choose your desired photos, then press next, and hit share button to upload your story. Alternatively, if you haven't added anything to your story yet, you'll see a small plus above your profile picture in the Stories bar. Tapping the Your Story button opens the Instagram camera. From there you can repeat the same steps to share your story. But if you want to combine multiple pictures into one Instagram story, utilize the Layout feature. In Instagram main page, swiping right to open the camera, select Layout on the left side, and choose the photos you want to use in Gallery at the bottom left. Another approach is using stickers. Open the app, navigate to the camera, and select Gallery. Choose a picture, tap Stickers, scroll down to find the photo icon, and you can now resize and position images using 2 fingers. For those wishing to post with multiple photos, tap the Create New Post button. Press Select Multiple on the right side of the Recent section. Pick your desired images, edit to your liking, and when you're done, hit Share to upload your post. And as a token of appreciation for staying until the end, let's explore a bonus tip on creating polls on Instagram. To create a poll on Instagram, start a new Instagram story. Tap Stickers, then select the poll sticker. Type your poll question and the options underneath. Finally, tap your story at the bottom to add the poll to your Instagram story. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, explore our complete playlist of tutorials about Windows.